Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, both devices on the same Wi-Fi and compatible with AirPlay. Once done, wake the TV and enable AirPlay on that screen. On your Mac, open Control Center. Don't delay. This is the first action. Click Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon in the menu bar to list targets. You're starting the connection right now, so the next slide can handle choosing options and authorizing the TV. You now pick the TV from the AirPlay menu. If the TV shows a code, type it into your Mac to pair securely. Once connected, make a deliberate choice. Mirror the display for identical output or use the TV as a second screen for extra workspace. Then open System Settings to tweak resolution, scaling, and frame rate for smooth video. Make sure sound is routed to the TV if you want audio there. These steps control quality and usability. To finish, disconnect from Control Center or click the AirPlay icon and choose Stop AirPlay. That cleanly ends the session. If playback lagged, enable Optimize for video or reduce resolution to stabilize frame rate. And one key troubleshooting tip. If your Mac doesn't show the AirPlay icon, verify both devices are on the same network. Temporarily disable any firewall or VPN, and restart the Mac and TV. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.